Hello, welcome to WTV News. Tonight, a special report on the developing situation involving creative terrorist group WARP. Coordinated efforts by the Royal Navy, HM Customs and the CDA recently intercepted an illegal cargo ship containing tons of contraband creative material. Thousands of CDs, DVDs and USB flash drives were recovered containing offensive illegal propaganda material blatantly flouting creative sensitivity laws. Please be aware that the following film contains some disturbing images. Similar film and audio to this was first seen 3 months ago on pen drives left in toilet cubicles of alternative nightclubs. This material is believed to be the catalyst in a spate of recent riots and illegal gatherings. 2 suspected terrorists have been detained on charges relating to breaches of the 2010 creative sensitivity laws. Tom Tom and David Fritzl, as they are known, are both highly talented criminals. A third suspect was detained and is alleged to be infamous warped ringleader Terrorhate. Terrorhate is wanted on numerous charges, including kidnap relating to the recent Simon Cowell hostage situation.
I'm proud to be an audio martyr. This is a list of demands from the WARP movement. We demand that the CDA is disbanded immediately, all creative prisoners are released, and reinstate all creative freedoms.
And now, a message from our sponsor, but may I just take this chance to say good night, and thank you for watching WTV News.